Hey, what's up, guys? I'd like to share with you some really cool things about this waist pack. First thing, let's take an up close look at it here. This thing is made of a high density nylon, so it feels really kind of like it can withstand a lot, really rugged. This one here is got this, it's a brown greenish color. They do come in black as well. This one here, the whole front has this pattern to it, like so you can stick Velcro to it. It can stick right to the front. I like these zippers here, the strings on the zippers. They put this rubber coating right around there. Let's get an up close look there. See that? So you don't have to worry about that getting messed up. So of course it has this front pocket. You can easily fit your phone in there. So you can have your phone separate from everything else. And then up top here, you open up and let's take a look inside. All right, here inside, you see we have some of these elastic loops here. And then behind here, it's almost like a little hidden compartment. You have a couple of spaces. Maybe you can put some cash or your credit cards or something like that if you needed to. And then it has this wide, see, look at that. It's like an expandable inner pocket there. Plenty of space for whatever it is you need to store. Again, you want to keep your phone separate. Slide that right up front. You can easily fit, like in this Molly panel thing, I have a little flashlight there. I could toss my keys down in there. On this side, you have a bigger strap here. Maybe you put your glasses. And then whatever else you need, you can fit right in there. Your wallet will easily fit in here as well. There's plenty of space. So whether if you're going out camping, hiking, if you're going running, going out for a jog, this thing can hold everything that you need in it while you're out there. It has its separate compartments. It has the loops inside it to hold everything together. I really like that. The clasp here is very nice and durable and strong. Easy to get off though. And then check out this. Just when you thought I was done, there's a hidden compartment in the back. So you have even more space back here that you can put your belongings. So there, you can wear it around your waist. You can wear it as a crossbody. It's a very versatile bag from 1TG Tactical. Check it out.